Sir, could you just go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Ron Stevenson. I'm a senior product manager for a company called Schakra, and we're actually located across the street from the Microsoft campus in Redmond. A core group of people in the company came from Microsoft, where we work together in the communications sector team. So we really have broad expertise in the telecommunications business and the software business, of course. And at Schakra, we've created a platform that enables a new class of applications that unify social media with telephony and web services. We really think this is the right time to do that because of the explosive growth, not only of Facebook, but things like LinkedIn and other networks that people are starting to use. So today we're showing GoGoStat Connect, which is one of our family of applications. Connect specifically solves the problem of how do people better manage the way they are contacted. When somebody places a call to you, they have all the control. You have nothing to say about the interruption or anything else. With GoGoStat Connect, the idea is that you define situations and rules for how you want to be communicated. So it might be, while I'm at home, here are the rules, or while I'm at work, here are the rules. But the rules can be even more complex than that. They can be things like, if someone from Microsoft is trying to contact me at home, then the rules are going to be different than if a friend tries to contact me at home. The other point here is that we want to do away with the address book as you know it today. You and I would exchange simply our URL, our address on the internet. And contained within that, in the cloud, is all of our contact information. So if your phone number changes, I don't need to update my address book. I just, of course, contact you with your URL. And then the third problem we're trying to solve is how do we unify the communication that happens within social media as well as over phone. So you may define that one of your desired channels of communication is you want to get direct messages through Facebook, not just an SMS or a phone call or something like that. So you can include that in these situations. So at call time, I simply touch on your name on my phone, and in the background, GoGoStat Connect will negotiate essentially your rules and my rules and figure out the best way to connect us. And then I might see on my phone an SMS form pop up, or it might put the call through, or it might pop up a Facebook message dialogue. Whatever the rules define, whatever your situation defines, that's how it's handled. And the system will automatically compensate as you travel. So if you're home, it knows you're home. If you're on the train, it knows you're on the train. If you have something in your work calendar and can't be disturbed, we'll automatically respond to that. So we really think this is a new way for people to communicate that makes so much more sense in this day and age when social media is so important and contact information changes all the time.
And we're here today at the BlueVia Microsoft launch. Tell us about that.
We really like the BlueVia APIs from Telefonica because as a developer, it enables us to tap into the Telefonica network. And so we utilize the SMS API today, for example. As a developer, we also enjoy the fact that Telefonica is sharing the revenue with us. So many other telecommunications companies are still viewing the developers as another revenue source rather than as a way to reach customers. Telefonica really gets it out of the gate and says, we want to encourage you to create applications that tap into our network, and we're willing to share the revenue with you. And then, of course, for Microsoft, being a bunch of ex-Microsofties, we love the tools, we know and use the tools. So this partnership today just underscores the things that we're already enjoying. We utilize Visual Studio to rapidly create applications and deploy them to the cloud. The Microsoft Azure cloud platform obviously gives us the scalability that one would expect when delivering applications for telecommunications operators.
And where can we find out more?
GoGoStat.com is the best way to find out not only about the applications that we're offering, but the underlying platform as well, which is designed for telecommunications operators and enterprises.
And you showed off a demo application there. It's not available right now.
Well, it's demonstrable. It's in private beta today. We are planning to roll this out in the UK in the summer through O2 when the full capabilities of the BlueVia APIs are available.
Yeah. Thank you very much.